for Pin Media.
Know her? The people of Kayunga, let me beg you. Today we are not politicking. We've come to rejoice and celebrate. Seeing our new bishop. The office I was put is not an easy office. The woman representative that would be here, give me a church or a where she has ever stepped, or you give evidence that she has ever come to this. Has she ever? I've come here. Amongst all your churches, if there is a church I've never gone to stand up. And even the church in Kangulumira. I've come on following up on those churches that we may move the work of God forward. Not here, but even other denominations. But you lead for 15 years without stepping anywhere. Even your church of fellowship, you get disagreements. You leave the church and others go. What is the ambition for that? He's not a godly person. For the 15 years of suffering, enough is enough. We ask the time we are entering into. You command all the born again. We are all the friends we have. Let's elect a person that will be with us, stand with us. They spend time outside the country in Kampala. Why? 15 years not stepping in a church. And even her own. They ask for 10. Is that a church? For those that come to is that person a leader? I question. When I attended burial in Mukamba Nazigo, I spoke like that and they said that position we got a lot of challenges. And when a child loses a parent, how about the two? How are you? We are rejected. Should we become rejected? Why don't we accept that the coming years we rejuvenate our souls and don't become rejected? All the times that were rejected and forsaken. So I beg you that you will not be deceived, because behind their coming, when they come in this NRM elections, they brought a person that they will meet ahead and do away with her. She can't go anywhere. She's not able. That you asked for a radio program. He didn't know we met long time and we worked together. My radio station in Ginger, I commanded so if you are going to preach to people the gospel, let's give them the program in whichever way. So the people of Kayunga had chosen as we had just started.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday. They get a person to come and preach the gospel. In different denominations correspondingly. But I'm now going to command we get a day in a week for born agains.
Sunday has other religions that came in. We want you to get a day that you get 1 hour of preaching. Choose among his name that is bishop.
I will speak to the manager. We give you time. I know when people get saved and they cease doing evil, continue following and knowing God, things will run on. I stood and pledged with Kayunga Town Council that I will get 5 acres of land along Bale Road. But I didn't know there is a difference there. Only born again. Whenever I ask you, it will be for all people. I not choose one person. So I'm still working on it, and I will not give up on it. If it needs cash money or solid, but I pledge the land where we shall be staying as born again umbrella. I will not change anything. Therefore, today I came here. The people of Keka, may I see you? That's why Sulaiman is here. I will put 1 M on that church. They will know that today is a base for the church. Bishop is leading.